Hey, here we are, adding more to my plane video. The latest project is to build that thing. So, here's where I'm at on it right now. Got a long ways to go. Mom loves seeing planes everywhere. So, hopefully, one day this will be in the air. Oh yes, and the key to successful build is a little beer. That always helps you make things straight. Okay, this is January 18th, and so the last time we saw it, I just had the wing, and now I'm to here. Got some sanding to do. Got the turtle deck. So hopefully next time it'll be covered. Here it is, all done. I just hope the next time that we see it that it's not in a bunch of splintered little pieces. A lot of work.
You gonna come in for a landing? Okay. Wasn't that pretty?
It has been done!
It has been done. He has succeeded. It did not crash when he landed. Yay!
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Spencer! Go!
And when you press pause, it all goes together.
Okay. Where'd Jackson go?
He's over there by the northwest. And it takes him up. He's like, did you get that on the video?
Uh-huh, I got that.
You want to get this, let's try to get it started. Hey Jackson.
Yeah.
Good job here. Lost time.
This is gonna go.
Yeah, I noticed. Almost did too.
I know.
Is it dead?
No, but I think we're gonna just call it quits there.
Aww.
Break some stuff up. I don't have another prop.
What's a prop?
Propeller.
Oh.
But I'm pleased with how.
Yeah.
Here, I want the propeller.
That's taking some beating right there.
Give me the propeller, okay?
Well,
What
this
about a
plane
pipe?
has taken a beating. And it's still.
Just the one or two little things, you could run it.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. If I had another prop, I'd do it again.
What's a prop?
Propeller.
This time I'm getting it. No, I already asked.
Dang! Oh!
There's the plane. Crashed into the tree.
Did it crash
Your battery's gonna die.
On the recorder?
Yeah.
Okay, it'll fly again.
Hey, Mommy, watch this when I pet her. Look at that. She's shake. Oh, she's fun.
Well, there it crashed somewhere over there. There goes Tom. December 22nd, 2003. Here comes Mighty Spencer. I think he's gonna hit us. There he goes. Wait, where'd he go? Blurred on me. He's blurring on me. There goes Spencer chasing it. December 24th, 2003. Tom, Cat, Gabriel, and I are here. And he better not go down. Down he went.
Something's wrong with the... It doesn't have enough power.
Tom said it's dead. Oh darn.
You gotta throw it this way, bud. Yeah, okay, ready?
Video, I
January 1st, 2004.
One wing is not spinning. Look at Isaac.
Here, I'll let you do it.
There's Isaac, king of the windsock.
It's maiden flight.
Sure is windy all of a sudden.
Oh, I just saw pieces go everywhere.
Don't pick anything up! Don't pick a piece up! Cha 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 cha!
How cute.
Let's see.
What came off?
Oh no, the wing came off.
Oh no, Circa!
Okay, Jack.
Battery came off.
Is it dead?
Which one were the little pieces that were in here? You know those little silver things?
Oh, did they both come off?
Shouldn't have picked up the wing.